today's craft, we are going to do a quick 5-minute sciencey craft today. All you need is 2 ice cream sticks, 2 smallish rubber bands, 1 nice and thick rubber band, and a plastic straw. If you don't have a plastic straw, just a piece of normal paper. So we're going to start with our plastic straw, and you're just going to cut off a little bit like that and flatten it as much as possible. So if you don't have a plastic straw, just use a piece of paper or a piece of carton and fold it until you've got a piece like this that is nice and flat. Then all you do is you take 2 of these and your thick rubber band. The thick rubber band goes across your 1 ice cream stick like this. Oopsie daisy. Get that on there. Right in the center so it doesn't move off. So across your 1 stick like that. And 2 of these go in underneath. I'm going to show you now. So it looks something like that on the one side. Okay. Then you take another ice cream stick, put it on top of this, and secure it with your rubber bands, your smaller rubber bands. 1 on each end, like this. So, what is this? I hear you asking. This is a musical instrument, believe it or not. So it's going to look something like this. There's a gap in between and it's secured on both ends like that. Let me show you how to make some music. Voila! You have got a musical instrument. So how does this work? As you blow on this, air moves through the middle and it vibrates this rubber band that's running down the middle of your 1 ice cream stick. And as it vibrates, it creates a sound wave. So what else works like this? Your voice. That is how your voice is produced. Your vocal cords, as air from your lungs flow over your vocal cords, they vibrate, and as they vibrate, they make waves, sound waves. So the pitch of your voice depends on the amount of air flowing through your vocal cords and how fast they vibrate. So you can go lower and higher. Okay, I can't sing, but you get the picture. So go and make these. Go and explain it to your friends and sound really, really clever. Or your teachers. Can you imagine how impressed they will be? And then obviously start a band. All right. Remember to email or WhatsApp me your band name and your pictures. All right. So I can tell everyone that I know some famous people. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.